Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you some powerful techniques for Mahzooz next draw, which is trying on 10th September 2022. You can also try this technique for your any lottery which you want to play. Friends, in this video I will give you some powerful favorite series for upcoming draw of Mahzooz. According to this Mahzooz history, these are the past results. Whenever 2 came as the first number in the result, these are the past results. Almost 12 times the 2 number came as the first place. You can see. After that, these are the next results. Friends, whenever the 2 number came as the first number in Mahzooz history, after that from 1 to 9, the numbers came 14 times. From 10 to 19, the numbers came 10 times. From 20 to 29, the numbers came only 6 times. From 30 to 39, the numbers came most, that are 18 times. And last, from 40 to 49, the numbers came 11 times. See friends, the most favorite series is 30 to 39. You should select your maximum numbers for upcoming draw from this series if you like. And second most favorite series is from 1 to 9. The numbers came most after 3 series. This from 1 to 9, 14 times came from 1 to 9. You can also select your maximum number from 1 to 9. And also you can select most repeated number. You can see like 7, you can see here 7, 7, 7, 7, 33, 33, 33, 33. These numbers came many times when 2 number came as the first place, and you can see here 39, 39. Then again this is in last draw 39. Like these numbers, if you like any number from it, you can choose most repeated number for your selection. And one most important number I will give also here, so please look it carefully. When first time this was happening, after that the last number is 47. You can see when 47 came after true, skip one draw. After that the last number came is 44. This thing was happened 2 times. First time is here, and second time you can see the 47 number came as the last. This draw you will skip. After this you can see here again 44 number came in the result as the last number. Now according to this routine, the 47 number has came as the last number, and this is the draw you will skip. Our next draw is our upcoming draw. According to this routine, the 44 number should come last number in our upcoming draw. If you like this number, you can select as the last number. I already told you 4 home number is 9, so you should also select this 49 number as the last number, but powerful number is 44. In my next video I will also give you most favorite numbers like my previous video, so wait for my next video. In the end, good luck and goodbye.